Hello everyone, myself Vijay Lakda, Assistant Professor in Management Department, Sant Haridas College. My today's topic is marketing mix, the 7 P's of digital marketing. And second topic is electronic marketing. Electronic marketing consists of B2B, business to business, B2C, business to consumer, and last is C2C, consumer to consumer. Now let's start the today's topic. What is marketing mix? The marketing mix refers to the set of actions or tactics that a company uses to promote its brand or product in the market. The 4 P's mark up a typical marketing mix: price, product, promotion, and place. However, nowadays the marketing mix increasingly includes several other P's like packaging, positioning, people, process, physical evidence, and even politics as a vital mix element. The 7 P's of marketing is a set of controllable and interrelated variables. Marketing mix strategies is choosing and implementing the best possible course of action to attain the organization's long-term objectives and gain competitive edge. Next is now start the marketing mix consists of 7 P's. First P is product. What is product? One can say a product is a good or service or an idea consisting of a bundle of tangible and intangible attributes that satisfy consumer and is received in exchange for money or some other units of value. Now, what is goods? Goods are the physical product capable of being delivered to a purchaser and involve the transfer of ownership from the seller to consumer. Now, what is services? Services is a non-material action resulting in a measurable change of state for the purchaser caused by the provider. Now, what is idea? Idea, intellectual property, are any creation of the intellect that has commercial value but is sold for traded only as an idea, not as a resulting service or good. This includes copyrighted property such as literary or artistic work. Now, types of product. There are two types of product: consumer product and industrial product. Now, second marketing mix is price. The price is the critical element of the marketing mix. Speaking broadly, the price is the sum of all values that a consumer gives up to gain the benefit of having or using a product or services. Thus, customer exchange a certain value for having or using the product, a value we call price. Pricing is an important element of marketing mix. Every company should choose strategic choice when pricing the product to successfully achieve business objectives. Marketing mix pricing is the only element that generate revenue, while other elements represent cost. Now, next price marketing mix is place. In the marketing mix, the process of moving product from the producer to the intended user is called place. In other words, it is how your product is bought and where is to be bought. This movement could be through a combination of intermediaries such as distributor, wholesaler, and retailer. Place refers to distribution or the method and the location you use for your product or services to be easily accessible to the target customer. Now, next is promotion. In marketing, Promotion refers to any type of marketing communication used to inform or persuade target audience of the relative merits of a product, service, brand, or issue. The aim of promotion is to increase awareness, create interest, generate sales, and create brand loyalty. The four main tools of promotion are advertising, sales promotion, public relation, and direct marketing. Now, the next marketing mix is people. One of the essential element of marketing mix is people. This includes everyone who is involved in the product or services, whether directly or indirectly. Not all of these people get in touch with the customer, but all these people have their own role to play in the production, marketing, distribution, and delivery of the product or services to the customer. Modern marketing theories place the people as the fifth P in the marketing mix, joining the other four P's, namely product, promotion, price, and place. Without people, all these all these other P's will not complete a successful marketing formula. Now, the next is process. Process is an element of service marketing mix. The delivery of your service is usually done with the customer present, so how the service is delivered is once again the part of what the consumer is paying for. At each stage of the process, marketers deliver value through all elements of marketing mix. It is the part of 7 P's of marketing mix or extended P's of marketing mix. Process refers to the flow of activities or mechanisms that take place when there is an interaction between the consumer and the business. The next is physical evidence. Physical evidence, the element of marketing mix which customer can actually see or experience when they use a service and which contribute to the perceived quality of the service. Example, the physical evidence of a bank could include for the state of branch premises as well as the delivery of the banking services. Service, as we know, are largely intangible when marketing. However, customer tends to rely on physical cues to help them evaluate the product before they buy it. Therefore, marketing develops what we call physical evidence to replace these physical cues in a service. The role of the marketer is to design and implement such tangible evidence. Physical evidence is the material part of a service. Now, product, place, and people are considered as strategic piece of marketing mix since they cannot be changed overnight. Now, promotion, price, process, and physical appearance are considered as tactical piece of marketing mix because these can be changed more easily than the strategic piece. Now, the next topic is electronic marketing. Electronic marketing consists of three elements: business to business, business to consumer, and consumer to consumer. In the in the given slide, we can discuss business to business and business to consumer. B2B, which stands for business to business, is a process for selling products or services to other business. In B2C, it stands for business to consumer. It is a process of selling product directly to the consumer. Though Both modules have similar primary business goals like maximizing profit, business growth, and to capture the market share. Their target audience is entirely different. Now, we will discuss in detail what is B2B, business to business. Business to business is selling product or services between business through the internet via an online sales portal. In generally, it is used to improve efficiency for companies instead of processing order manually by telephone or email. With e-order can be processed digitally. B2B transaction can be processed online in various ways, of which electronic data interchange and B2B e-commerce are most often used. Although EDI and B2B e-commerce both have their own distinctive features, they are often mixed up. Now, but there are some websites of B2B. First one is www.amazonbusiness.in, second one is www.alibaba.com, third one is www.indiamart.com, and the last one is www.tradeindia.com. These websites deal in business to business. Now, what is business to consumer? The term business to consumer refers to the process of selling product and services directly between the business and the consumer, who are the end user of its product or services. Most companies that sell direct to the consumer can be referred as B2C companies. The definition of B2C sales refers to a sale model in which business target individuals, consumers. As such, the typical business to consumer sales cycle has a much shorter sales cycle than the typical business to business sales cycle. B2C sales can refer to any sales process that sells directly to the consumer through. It tends to refer specifically to retail sales. The next, there are some websites which deals in business to consumer. First one is, as you know, www.flipkart.com, www.amazon.com.in, www.snapdeal.com, www.mentra.com, www.lenskart.com. These are the website which deals in business to consumer. Now, what is consumer to consumer? Consumer to consumer or C2C is a business model that facilitates commerce between the private individuals, whether it's for goods or services. This category of e-commerce connect people to do business with one another. In C2C, market provides an innovative way to allow customers to interact with each other. Traditionally, market requires business to consumer relationship in which a consumer goes to the business in order to purchase a product or services. In C2C, in C2C markets, the business facilitate an environment where customer can sell goods or services to each other. Now, there are some websites which deals in consumer to consumer, such as www.quicker.com, www.ebay.in, www.olx.in. Thank you so much. This is all about 7 P's of marketing mix and electronic marketing or digital, you can say that digital marketing models. Thank you so much.